In this video, I'm going to show you how to create music with Google Gemini. So Google recently released an AI tool that allows you to create music from Gemini. And I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is to go to gemini.google.com. Then you log in with your Gmail. Here you're going to see create image and you're going to see create music. This works with both the pro account and the ordinary account. So at this point, you're going to describe your music, and I'm going to say something like create a reggae music for discipline. Then you click enter. Remember, this is just for tutorial purposes. You need to give it a detailed prompt on what you really want the music to be like. You can as well give it the lyrics and the kind of music or the beat you want it to produce. So I just gave it a simple prompt. With this, it's going to figure out every other thing, and it will as well create a background cover art for the music. So it says, I've created your reggae track about discipline. It is ready to play directly in our chat. Enjoy the positive vibrations. So this is the music. It has a 30 seconds music. You can use this to create more music. All you need to do is to give it your lyrics and the kind of beat, the kind of genre the music belongs to, and it's going to create your music. So let's play it. Can you see the sound here is beautiful? Listening to it with an earpiece, it is amazing. So all you need to do is start experimenting with this. You can start creating AI music and posting it on AudioMac, Spotify, and you can earn money from this simple discovery using Google Music AI tool. So this is how you can create music with Google Music. This is one of their latest tools. Then you download your track. You see, you can download it with the video cover art, or you can download it as MP3. So with this video cover art, you can post it on YouTube. If you download it as only audio, then if you want to post it on YouTube, you need to add your own video cover to it. Alright, so I'm going to download both of them. So this is how to generate music using Google AI tool for music generation. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment. I will see you in our next video.